Hey guys, if you're watching this video, you probably came across a problem with your GoPro and you can't put the door back on or something like that, or you can't remove it. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to put it back on and how to remove it as well. So you see, this is the door that I removed long time ago because GoPros, they don't really hold their charge for long, so a lot of times I have to connect to a power source to basically keep it running. So that's why I took my door off, and I had a lot of hard time getting this back together. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to combat that situation. So you see, this is the door, right? And this is what it's looking like right now. We're basically going to take this flap out, alright? So by this time you probably already got your solution, and now that you have this out, this is what it looks like. And we're basically going to take the camera and we're going to find the pole, and we're going to press this groove here into the pole, and bam, right when you hear the snap, you know it's on. And then we push it down and we slide it in. That's it. That is how you put it on, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. So we're going to basically take the flap off like we charge it. Instead, this time we're just going to twist it off. Now don't wiggle it too much, that may cause this to break. Just take it off. It's really easy.